Okay, it's Paulo here. I got a package from Danscomp for my bike. I think I got a tire and grips and pedals. Let's go see. Okay. Let's see. Tire. What size? Size 225, yeah. Grips. A calendar. Valve caps and bar ends. Fit. And some stuff. Is that a catalog? No. And let's see what these are. Whoops. Pedals. Yeah. Dang, they're heavy. Woohoo. Okay, so I got some glow-in-the-dark ODSY Twisted PC pedals. Yeah. Danscomp calendar. Just stop recording. Nope, still going. Duo grips. Van Homan's. And ODSY Aitken P-lyte tire. Yeah. 225, heck of fat. Oh yeah. Fit plugs and some valve caps. That's it. There's my bike with my right now without the parts. Mostly stock. New parts. Yeah. Danscomp. Okay, right now I got my ODSY Twisted PC pedals. Yeah. I like how they spin. I like fast ones. I got two of them, clear glow in the dark. Right now they kind of look greenish, but because I'm in the dark. It's pretty much clear when you go outside. And my brand new duo grips. That came in different packaging, but oh well. Yeah, pretty sick looking. Pretty thick feeling, but soft and grippy. Duo. Purple. That looks pink. It's pretty cool. Aitken tire. And the fit plugs bar ends right there. Yeah, fit. Hollow on the inside, ribbed. Nylon, feels like plastic, but feels rubbery. It's pretty cool. Purple valve caps. And yeah, now I'm gonna put them on my bike. Okay, that was gay. Okay, it's Paulo here. Bike check on YouTube or Vimeo, whatever. Here's my Haro. Got the stock bars, stock fork, stock frame, the Haro forum, intro light Lolo, forum stem, ODSY Aitken P-lyte tire, and of course 225. Yeah, you gotta go wide. Also got a wide tire in the back too, Maxxis M tread 2.1. Yeah. But it said M tread. Oh, that's on the other side. New pedals. ODSY Twisted PC, glow in the dark. See if the camera can get this. There. Okay. Same seat, same sprocket, the Eastern. New valve caps. And that's not all I got. I got some freaking new parts too. Yeah, Danscomp calendar. Duo grips in purple, but they look pink. I'm not sure which one was better. Either to get the animals or the duos. I just got the deal. Let's try something new. Fit plugs bar in. Not using them yet. Animals are still pretty good. Just had a hole in them. And receipt and stickers. Stickers, yeah, Filipino accent there. Kind of weird. They're somewhere in there. Okay. 3 Danscomp stickers. Kind of bummed. Wanted some better ones. And yeah, bike check. Back to the bike. Whoosh. Glow in the dark. Okay, I just got the package today, so yeah. Just run animals for a little bit longer. There's a freaking hole there. As you can see, just pushing them on top of each other. And they were on this side, but they got a hole, so I just switched them out because these I wear through so fast for some weird reason. So yeah, just got that problem. Okay, I think that's it. Maybe some video of me riding. Wow, 2 minutes. Now.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. All I wanna do is take your money. 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 Pirates, skulls and bones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs. Running when we hit 'em. Lethal poison for the system. Pirates, skulls and bones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs. Running when we hit 'em. Lethal poison for the system. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. All I wanna do is take your money. 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 MIA, third world democracy. Yeah, I got more records than the KGB. So, no funny business. You already are.
Philippine Airlines. Right there. Bye bye.